Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable stay awake on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, scroll down and you cannot see the developer option. And okay guys, to show or enable the developer option, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, okay, scroll down again and go to build number. And okay guys, to enable or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's it. You are now a developer. And okay guys, go back. And now you can see the developer option on system settings on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, now go to developer options. Here in developer options, okay, you can see here the stay awake. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the stay awake, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, if this enable, screen will never sleep while charging. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled stay awake on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.